Hey guys, I'm showing you this Poetic iPhone 13 mini case. So let me just take this out. So this is unboxing. So you can see there are two options here. So one is with the screen protector, another is without the screen protector. This is the vibrant color like the metallic shade in the back, and this is having this the other insert. So this other insert is actually without the screen protector. So if you don't like using the screen protector, you can use this insert into the case. So here I will just take this out, the silicone part, and then this part will is all the screen protective part. So this quality wise looks fine, very clear, screen protector. The phone will fits well, and then on the top you can put this plastic one and the silicone part from the corner, and then just cover it. So this becomes double protective here, and all the bumpers and the corners is like highly thick, so they are all protective. From the side you can use all these ports and connections. All the buttons are easily accessible, no hindrance from the case itself. And then you can also have this kickstand on the back. So yeah, you can just take this kickstand and just you can put the phone on the stand, and you can again put this things back. So it's a very nice and handy functional case, and then also support this MagSafe charging. But so it's a really helpful, protective, look good looking case, and protects your phone as well.